Pipe Restoration Solutions is your nationwide leader in trenchless pipe repair, serving residential, HOA, commercial, healthcare, and hospitality properties. From single-story homes to high-rise condos, PRS can extend the life of your pipes by over 50 years. With our cured-in-place pipe or CIPP lining technology, there's no need for disruptive digging or demolition of your property. Go trenchless with PRS. Every CIPP lining project starts with a camera inspection to assess pipe conditions, all while identifying cracks, root intrusions, or defects affecting performance. Next, we will restoratively clean the pipe back to the original operating diameter for a perfect liner install. Here's how it works. We mix a 2-part epoxy and fully saturate a felt liner using rollers. An air compressor is used to insert a plastic guide and pull rope through the liner to pull a rubber bladder back through. Once the bladder is positioned, the saturated liner is then rolled up, taped, and prepared for insertion. Using roof vents and cleanouts as access points, we then pull the liner into place. Our advanced camera technology ensures the liner is correctly positioned within the pipe, avoiding any lateral piping blockages. Then, we inflate the bladder to initiate the curing process. The result? A new, fully structural pipe within a pipe. If you need minimally invasive, cost-effective, and a long-lasting solution for your pipe issues, then contact PRS today or visit us at prspipe.com.